guys, I'm in a train station. I want to look at a train, or ride a train. That's why I do. See you. I'm going on a train now. Elevator.
Tak.
Wait lah.
Train kat KLIA.
Don't jam lah.
Tapi tak bisa macam ni kita.
Now we in the train. Look. Train rails.
Tak boleh lepas nak kata.
I'm Malay. Where's the train? It's not here yet. Alright. The train. Oh.
Okay, ni mungkin berapa?
Choo choo.
Stay here.
Where's the train? I hear it, but I don't see it. There, I think there's this way. Oh. Hey, finally. Okay, let's go. Itu, duduk tempat mana? Please. Hopefully we don't crash. Choo-choo. It sounds like a Singapore Express. Look, basket. Hotel seat. I don't understand. I'm pooping. It looks so weird. Another train. Okay, we go down. We're going again. Then go to height. Another stop for the other people. Are we here?
No yet.
Not yet. Ha ha ha. He's still not here. Huh? Camera.
Nak take photo.